Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to cut a hole in tile. I got this bit off eBay for about $2. If you go to your local Home Depot hardware store, they try to charge you $10, $20, something ridiculous. It's like a fine graded cutting bit. Anyways, I got it on my drill. Got that ready and mounted. I got some water ready, and I have some plumber's putty. I've marked the area where I'm going to cut. And the reason I have the plumber's putty is you're gonna make like a little snake, because what you're doing is building a little pool, or else you could have somebody just dump a bunch of water while you're cutting. That can get really frustrating. So I'm gonna make a better snake. So I'm trying to go quick for you guys. You guys get the idea pretty much when I tell you what I'm doing. So you stick the plumber's putty down there. I got a little X mark there. You can't see it real good because it's black tile. Push this down right here. This is gonna hold my water in place. Right? Gonna fill up my little pool I made. Let me put some better walls up there, or else they're gonna leak right through. Actually, my cut's going off the board, so this would be a good idea for you guys. If you, I might have to keep pouring water, being that mine's so close to the edge right there. But you could see the helpful tip that this can help you out. You build a little ring, and if it was more in the center. But anyways, I'll go with it and see what we got since we already built it. Just showing you guys. I also got wood on the bottom here so I don't just drill right into my floor. And we're gonna start drilling. Make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. Got that. Alright, we're gonna hit that center hole. Take a good look at it. Probably want to move it more to the right a little. Pretty good there. About as good as I'm going to get it. Make sure there's water on there. Easier if I had some help, but we don't. Cool down a little. You can see the helpful, the plumber's putty, right? And almost done here. That's it. That's how you cut. And my porcelain's stuck in there, but this actually comes with like a little notch to get that out. Nice, smooth, perfect cut. Clean this off, show you guys what happened. That's gonna go behind my shower head. So, not bad. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you out with a little tip or so. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks.